I don't know how practical they are, but they definitely are very
practical for
look how
estimating.
small, look how small, how thin it is.
Perfect for estimating, because you just gotta hop up on the roof real quick.
So I thought, might as well try it. So it's got a strap to keep it together. It's a lot heavier duty actually than I thought it would be.
Can you see how much they run for?
I have to get there on 3 directions to figure out how they lock open.
Here,
Oh, whoa, there they are.
Yeah.
No,
That helps them collapse. You have to start from the bottom though.
is that it?
Yeah, you have to start from the bottom, 'cause that's where your weight's coming from, right?
I don't know.
There, yeah, there you go.
There we go. So you start with the bottom, which makes sense. Okay, well, let's try this out. We got some shingles missing from the roof, so let's go do it. There we go. I will say the base of it could be wider. And it would, that would get rid of the handiness of it, but it's definitely sturdy. I'm gonna go up one more run.
I guess that's the best way to do it. There's not really a simple way to expand.
If you want it small, you gotta have it. The rungs are a little bit wider than normal. Climb up it and see what you think.
Yeah, I'm very interested.
Do they feel a little wider apart?
Yeah.
You know what I mean? They're just a little bit different. Got her all fixed up. All right. So then to let it down, just push those buttons in. Oh, and they just automatically go down once you first. You see this? Watch this.
Oh, wow.
Watch this. Watch this, Connor.
Hang on, no, I don't, Mom.
Watch. As long as I don't.
What? What?
They hit each other.
Huh?
They hit the button as they go down.
What was slowing it down?
It's got like, it must have like a
Little shot?
some kind of resistance in there.
That's sweet.
That's pretty cool. So I'm doing a little product review today. I got this ladder sent to me from Dezex, and I've been pretty impressed with it. I've seen these types of ladders before and kind of wondered how practical they are. It's just a really neat little handy ladder that's definitely sturdy enough to do some basic gutter cleaning or roof repair or whatever else. It goes up to about 16 feet tall, so it's definitely tall enough to get you onto most roofs. The weight limit on this is 330 pounds. So it's a pretty sturdy little thing. So it's really easy to carry and store because it's so compact. Whereas most ladders, you're like, you know, got your arm to the side and you're wrangling it. This is super easy, and that strap helps it so it doesn't come apart if you lay it on its side, but you don't even need the strap, you know, if you're just holding it like this. This thing weighs about 26 pounds. When I was working on my roof, a couple things I did notice. It's a very sturdy ladder, very premium. I was able to carry some shingles up on it even, and yeah, that's the bottom there. It's got a grip on the bottom where you set it on the ground, so it's not gonna slip, and the dirt is easy. But you definitely want the ground to be solid underneath it and level, because it is a little narrow. I didn't measure it, but it's probably about 18 inches wide, 18 to 20 inches. So it's not as forgiving as like a ladder with an angled bottom or an adjustable foot. But it definitely is sturdy. It doesn't feel like it's gonna, you know, break on you or fall or anything. But it's such a sweet little ladder. It has all the warnings on it so you don't get your fingers pinched, and it gives you some instructions on the side. So just to remind you how to make sure the ladder is positioned safely. To get it open, the first rung, you have to stand on the bottom, and then you just lift up on the very first rung, and then it's just the same process all the way up. You just lift the next rungs up, and at some point it gets too tall for you, so you just angle it to the side and you just pull them on out. And if it wants to come with you, it gets easier as it gets farther up. And you just keep the same process going so you get the height you need. And what's nice is the ladder gets lighter as it gets taller, so it's really easy to set up because the bottom is a little bit heavier than the top, so you don't have to fight it. You don't have to fight the bottom kicking out on you. One of the other things I noticed with this ladder, and I think it's made this way so that they get the maximum height and yet it retracts to the smallest size. The distance between steps is slightly bigger than normal. So you do notice that if you're used to a regular ladder. This is a little bit bigger step each time, but super sturdy. But yeah, to retract this thing, you just barely tip it away from your building, and then you take your fingers and you press these two buttons right here, and it retracts on its own. It depresses each of these little locking mechanisms on each of these rungs, and it just retracts itself. Super, super easy. So this is a aluminum constructed ladder. Sides here are plastic. Definitely feels premium. Feels like it would last a long time. So this ladder also comes with these caps right here. It doesn't say what they're for actually, but I believe they go on the top here and cover up those holes, because those holes can also be used for this. So these locks on the top here actually are for these hooks that came with the ladder. And how they work is you just drop them in these holes and they lock in so they don't come out. So then these hooks can like hook into your gutter, or like if you're getting up into the ceiling, these hooks might hook over one of your rafters or something like that to keep the ladder from, you know, falling away. So really nice option there too. If you're not using these, you can just take them out and then you can put these caps on there so that it's closed. Just like that. That keeps it looking a little nicer. So I'll leave a link in the description below this video for this ladder if you're interested in it. And we'll see you in the next one.